I get up. Time is
Started relatively soon, sometime in April.
Given the
I
corona,
have not, though.
yeah,
I have not talked to any individual. Excuse me.
you know, you're supposed to cough into your elbow. I don't know, sir. I learned that actually covering your White House.
That's,
That you
no, actually, that's true. But
If we just follow the science, expand testing and tracing, social distancing, washing our hands, implementing nationwide mask mandates, the kinds of investment that will stimulate.
We believe in honesty, decency, treating everyone with dignity and respect, giving everyone a fair shot, leaving no one behind, and giving hate no safe harbor, demonizing no one, not the poor, the powerless, the immigrant, the other, and maybe most importantly, leading not by the example of our power, but by the power of our example, as we always have. America's an idea that is stronger than any army, bigger than any ocean, and more powerful than any dictator or tyrant. The most powerful idea in the history of the world beats in the heart of the people of this country. We cannot, and I will not, let this man be reelected President of the United States of America. Limited to 4 years, I believe history will look back in this presidency as an aberrant moment in time. But if Donald Trump is reelected, Freudian slip, if Donald Trump is reelected, he will forever and fundamentally alter the character of this nation. And yes, we choose truth over lies. Folks,
come on, man.
we can only reelect Donald Trump.
I'm Donald J. Trump, and I approve this message.